Hi guys, this is Moupriya. Welcome back to my channel. It will be very helpful if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So today I'm gonna be doing a clutch haul video. These clutches I bought from Amazon. All items, as you can see, are shipped in very good package. So this is the first item. It is a multicolored digital printed clutch, guys. This is from the brand called Maman Store. I hope I pronounced it right. The color and the print is very beautiful, guys. This is exactly same as shown in the picture and size is 4 inches by 6.5 inches. You can easily carry your mobile phone here. Fabric is very soft from outside and the structure of this clutch is very sturdy and tough. This clutch has a self-locking spring lock and a detachable gold polish shoulder chain. It doesn't look cheap at all, guys. Very stylish. You can use it as a party wear and casual wear too. Considering the price, this is a really nice deal. I think just look at the print, guys. This is so beautiful and it goes well with your black outfit. Second one is totally a party clutch, guys, in the color sparkling gold from the brand called Tuba Store. It's a very beautiful clutch, look very stylish and the material is also very good. It's a synthetic material and the metal has also very good finishing. You can see the size of this clutch, guys. I'm not saying that there is enough space. It quite spacious. I mean, you can easily carry your mobile, home keys, wallet, small makeup accessories, and that's it. I think this is all we need for a party. By the way, guys, inner lining is also very good. There is a gold polish chain inside it so that if you need, you can turn it into a sling bag. Overall, it's a good product, guys. Go for it blindly. If you need a clutch for wedding or for gifting purpose, this is very good product. It also goes well with your ethnic outfit. This is the third clutch from the brand called Tuba Store. This one is in rose gold color, guys. As you can see, this clutch has very little glitter on it. I think you guys can see there is a matte finishing on top of the glitter material. Glitter doesn't come off and the metal finish is also very smooth. It has a button closure on top of it which looks very nice and the inside of the clutch has good quality of lining which makes it look really expensive. The shoulder chain is also very good quality, guys. Overall, it's a good product. It looks very classy and elegant, guys. It will go well with your both traditional and western outfit. So this is the fourth clutch. It's a sparkling red color clutch from Tuba Store. This red color is kind of metallic red, not like proper red color. Shoulder chain has also good length. I think 640 rupees for this. It bit pricey for me, but it's a very classy piece. You know, this is a very good quality product. Very vibrant color, best for your party looks. You can easily carry it in your wedding parties. It is a perfect accessory for your ethnic outfit also. Inner lining gives a very rich look. Quality is very good, guys. I am literally scratching it so that you can see the sparkle actually doesn't come off. It's a really good quality product. There is no sparkle on the mat as well. This is highly recommended, guys. Go for it without any second thought. So guys, these are all 4 clutches which I bought from Amazon. I will put all the link in the description box. You can easily check it out. Last but not the least, if you like this video and find it little bit helpful, please hit the like button, share with your friends and family and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.